Have you ever woken up feeling tired, even after 8 hours in bed? Or noticed you're more emotional, forgetful, irritable, and coffee isn't saving you anymore? What if I told you these are warning signs your body is begging for sleep, and ignoring them can seriously affect your brain, heart, weight, mood, and lifespan? Stay tuned, because today we're uncovering the common signs you're not getting enough sleep and how to fix them before they get worse. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to live healthier, think sharper, and have more energy every day, hit that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. If you open your eyes and feel tired, heavy, or mentally foggy, that's the #1 red flag. Sleep isn't just hours past. It's deep sleep, plus REM sleep, plus recovery. If you're not hitting those stages, you may feel like you slept, but it didn't count. You hit snooze multiple times. You need coffee just to feel alive. This means your body didn't repair, reset, or recharge properly. If tiny things annoy you, if people feel more irritating than usual, or you feel sad, anxious, or overwhelmed easily, your brain might be sleep deprived. Lack of sleep boosts stress hormones and drops your happy chemicals. Translation? You become emotionally unstable faster. Ever stare at something and forget what you were doing? Forget simple things. Names, tasks, where you put your phone. When you don't get enough sleep, memory goes down. Focus disappears. You zone out easily. You make mistakes more often. This is why sleep is called brain fuel. If you feel always hungry or crave sweets and carbs, your body may be trying to get fake energy because sleep energy is low. Lack of sleep increases ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and reduces leptin, the appetite control hormone. That's why you snack more, especially at night. Yes, tired eyes tell a story. When sleep is poor, dark circles appear, your skin looks dull or dry, acne increases, you look older. Sleep is when your skin repairs, heals, and glows. No sleep, no glow. If your energy crashes every afternoon, or you feel like doing nothing despite resting, your body is missing deep sleep recovery. Every system, from muscles to organs, refuels during sleep. No sleep, no energy. Poor sleep weakens your immune system. If you catch colds easily or always feel run down, your immune cells may be sleeping because you aren't. Think you're just clumsy lately? Dropping things, tripping, slow reactions? Studies show sleep loss affects your brain like being drunk. It slows your reaction time, thinking, and coordination. Here's what you can start doing tonight. Set a sleep schedule. Same time daily. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Reduce caffeine 6 hours before sleep. Keep your room dark and cool. Limit late-night snacks. Practice relaxing breaths or meditation. Small habits. Massive energy improvement. If you sleep but still wake up exhausted for weeks, you may need to check for sleep apnea, hormonal imbalance, stress or anxiety, nutrient deficiency. Don't ignore your body. Listen to it. Which of these sleep signs do you experience the most? Comment below. Let's talk about it. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more videos on health, energy, and better living. Sweet dreams, literally.